Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect your USB drive on your Galaxy S26 Ultra. At first I'm take a pen drive. And I'm take a converter. This is a USB to Type-C converter. At first connect this. Okay, and you just put in. At first open your file apps. Just connect. As you can see, now connect my USB storage. Easily transfer USB to phone or phone to USB. Like I'm transfer to select to copy or move. Select move to internal storage and select any folder. Press on move here, and now it's moving. So that's it.